Hello everyone and welcome to Hit the Mark Trading's daily TF Russell 2000 Futures Review. My name is Martin Rimes. Now, I want to ask you to please check out the website because we got an event coming up, alright? And this event, by the way, today's date is Saturday, March 15, 2014. This event is a boot camp for traders. And we're going to do a little night school here right after the market closes on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So 2 hours, little bite-sized classes. This is everything you need to know to learn how to trade trend and momentum, okay? So I invite you to please check this out on the website. Just hit this boot camp and it'll bring up this detailed information. Now, while you're here, go to the contact page. When you're on the contact page, you'll have the opportunity to sign up for Rooster Call, okay? So you just fill, oh, hello, that's me. So you just fill this out and hit submit, and then it'll say, do you want to subscribe to Rooster Call? What the heck is Rooster Call? This is my early morning look at the markets, okay? Basically, I look at the fundamentals, the news reports, I look at the charts, and make a very brief page synopsis to my clients. I'd like to send it to you as well for free. Okay, very good. Now, remember everything that I mentioned in this video recording is for your educational purposes only. Now let's jump into the charts. We're looking here at the weekly Russell 2000, the weekly TF. And gosh, we got this ascending wedge going, you know, touch the top and drop. So what we're looking for here is to see, are you going to break through this line? Because if you do, that's kind of a big deal. We immediately expect we're going to retest the low that we made down here on February 7, okay? So I would say that price probably wants to go to this area. Now, what is the catalyst? We've got the Ukrainian situation. That's a big deal. You've also got the China thing, worry about a debt implosion, but the Chinese can talk their way out of that. When you're talking about military intervention with Eastern Europe versus Western Europe, that's more of a bigger deal. This is not simply just something to say it's somebody else's problem. So what can happen is the multinational firms that are located in Russia, okay, firms that are huge firms out of Europe, huge firms out of USA, those guys start getting pinched with sanctions by the Russians, and you're going to have the markets overreact to that, okay? So what we're looking for is if we drop down, the first port of call is 34 exponential moving average around, oh, what is that, 1099. So let's just round it up and say 1100, a nice round number. Now we can get some big down days, okay? Don't think we can't. You look over here, wow, hello, drop, okay? So yes, indeed we can. This chart shows you how price loves to stay above the zero line on the CCI histogram, okay? We have no reason to think that that'll change. So with trend and momentum very strong, pullbacks are likely short-lived. Absolutely, we can drop down to this line right here. I mean, why not? Who says we can't? Okay, and still be in an uptrend. All right. Now let's just jump over here to the daily chart. And here we are. Gosh, I love drawing these support lines. Come down here to our support line, and normally what we would expect is to draw a line here. Okay, I like it at 150, not quite at 150, but I'll accept that. But draw a line here, and we expect the price to move up because of the strong trend and momentum, okay? If we don't see this because of the Ukrainian deal, If it gets worse, then it looks like price will probably, come here line, price will probably drop all the way down here to the bottom of this channel line. We are at 11, what is this? S3 intersects, so we're at 1125. Can we really drop that much? Well, I mean, look over here. Look at this. Like, hello, who shot John? You know, boom. Okay. Yes, of course we can. Of course we can. Any drop down technically would be a retest of this low. So the critical point here is what happens if we make it this far down here. This is the absolute critical zone. Because breaking through this, that's what 1085 suggests, hello, a deeper drop. Okay, very good. Intraday, let's look at intraday. And make this where we can see it, make some sense out of this. Okay. Whoops. Okay. Now, I love trading in the morning. Okay. I love it. Because it just seems like you get more action. As we look at this chart for Monday, here are your floor pivots to the right. Draw your lines. Good. Draw your line. Okay. Nice little wedge thing working here. So, what's the story? If we drop out of here, we're going to here and this area. Just to retest this low that we saw on Friday. Let me just move this up a little bit. So the potential, of course, is a deeper drop down here. Absolutely. So this is the black line is main floor pivot. If we break through this, price is going to probably just lose it. Okay. If we break to the upside, we already know where we're going. Okay. And what I love about this, I love the range. Nice big range for day trading. All right, I'll talk to you later.